Students, we are continuing chapter 7 playing with MS Paint. Today's class I am going to spend to discuss different tools which are used in MS Paint. From there, I have discussed already about pencil tool that is used for freehand drawing. I have discussed how to change the color and also eraser tool. How to use eraser tool? Eraser tool is used to just click on that and hold the mouse and press left mouse button and move on the area which you want to delete. By that way, the unwanted portions can be deleted from the picture. I have also discussed how to change the size of the eraser. Some tool still left to discuss, like fill with color. Fill with color as like the full coverage of the shape with color can be done by this fill with color tool. For that you need some of the shapes, to draw some of the shapes. Here already the shapes has given. Look, shapes has already given. Suppose I am choosing from here a star, 5-side star. This is the star and this is fill with color tool. According to your choice or wish, you can change the color. Now only it has given black, that's why whatever the color, I will just fill to this star, it will be black. So choose any color from the color palette, then go to fill with color tool and click on that tool. Just single click. Place the icon, see? This is fill with color tool icon. Place the icon anywhere inside the shape. Single click. Now my star has changed with yellow color. Isn't interesting? Next is eraser tool to have done. Next is text tool. Suppose your drawing has done. You need to add some text. Then only this tool is needed. This is text tool. First you have to click on that tool to get it. Then choose the area where you want to place your text. Then hold your mouse, press left mouse button and drag over the area. See, now you have got the cursor, a eye-like line. This is called cursor. In this place, whatever text you want to write, but why it is coming with yellow? Because from color palette I have taken yellow color. From color palette it is yellow. That's why the text is coming with yellow color. You can change the color also. Okay. Those things will be more clear as like you practice. Now only whichever is color is coming, by that way only practice those things. Then is color picker tool. It is just like a dropper. Which color? Suppose now it is green. I like this yellow. I want this yellow. So what to do? Now in the color palette, the selected color is green here. See, green. Look it, observe it. Now if I click on the color picker tool, always you have to click color picker tool to the picture. Just single click. See, the green has changed which color? Yellow. So automatically I can get the color from the picture by this color picker tool. Then is magnifier. Magnifier. What is the magnifier? Functions of the magnifier tool? This tool is used to zoom in the part of the picture. Suppose a picture has drawn and there are some defects to the pictures. So how to find out that and clear it? Then only you have to make it bigger. So this is just like a magnifying glass. Click on this. One click to the picture. Just how many size you want to make it bigger, just click. Suppose one size bigger, one click. See, it is now more bigger than the previous. So how to change it to the previous size? They are only in the view. You have zoom out. Okay, you have zoom out. To make it bigger, zoom in, or from the magnifying glass, one click to the picture, zoom out. See, it has come to its previous position. Zoom out, view, zoom out. As much as you will click to the zoom out, the picture is going to be smaller and smaller. Achha. In the next page, you have the shapes group. That I have already told. You have so many shapes there. Choose any shape which you want on your picture. Click and drag on the picture. You will get the shapes there. How to save a picture? Suppose my work is done. How do I save it? From there, suppose this is my picture. From there to this tool, I have save option. Okay. To the file menu, I have save option. Click. Then by which name you have to just careful that where you are saving in my file. In the picture library, on the picture box or picture folder, I am saving my file. Star. I am giving the name star. Star. Okay. Then save. It is telling that this file is already there. So I have to give any other name. So suppose I am changing the name to star1. Save. Now my picture is saved. Next is given how to open a picture. For that way, I need to close the picture and open it again. But this much is not much necessary for you. You first learn how to practice, how to work on MS Paint, how to draw the pictures. Okay, then only in next some of the sessions I will discuss more about how to save and how to open in a detailed manner. Now only practice how to draw different shapes, how to draw pictures on MS Paint. Then how to close? You have two options. Either you can close it from this cross, red cross, okay, or you can save it, file, exit. Whichever you prefer, either file, exit, this is either file, exit, or better the shortcut way is just click on this cross, your MS Paint window has gone. Understood? So what is your task now? First you have to read the things carefully again and again to grab the knowledge of MS Paint, because this is a new concept to you. Then only whatever the drawing you want, you just practice those drawing there. See, after few days this will be very much interesting and very much easier to you. Okay, this much is for today. Thank you.